Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. Before we get into this one, please check the video description for the Reoon email validator lifetime deal link and all updated information. If any feature changes or new plans come, I will keep that updated below the video. So don't forget to check that later. Alright, so we are talking about Reoon email verifier or validator. If you send emails for business, cold outreach, newsletters, or anything like that, you already know that bad emails can hurt your delivery. Sometimes people give you fake emails or old ones that don't work anymore. And when you send message to those, it can lower your sender score. That means future emails might go to spam or not reach anyone at all. So what Reoon does is check your email list and clean it. It tells you which email are valid, which are invalid, and which are risky. In that way, you can only send emails to people who are real or active. Now, why people like Reoon? One big reason is it's very accurate. Many tools say they verify emails, but some still give false results. But Reoon has a good record of catching bad emails and giving safe lists to send to. It also fast and easy to use. You just upload your list in a file, click verify, and then you get the result. You can download a clean list and even choose the remove risky one if you want. And yes, the best part is it has a lifetime deal on AppSumo right now. That means no monthly payments, just pay one time and you can keep using the credits it gives forever. This is good for freelancers, small business agencies, or anyone sending regular emails. Also, they give a free test. So if you want to try it before buying, you can test a few emails to see how it works. Reoon also supports bulk verification and has an API if you are a little tech savvy or using it for an app or platform. But even if you are not, the normal version is beginner friendly and works well. So yeah, if you want to protect your email sender score, get better delivery, and avoid wasting money on failed emails, Reoon is a smart tool to have. Again, check the link in the description for the lifetime deal link and many more information. And deals like this don't last for long, so don't wait too long. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe this channel for more helpful tools. And if you have tried Reoon already, let me know in the comment section how does it work for you. And I will see you in the next video.